Okay, today we're going to do a different project. Something that we can take to car shows and put next to the rat rod. So I got these 5 wagons for 60 bucks. And I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but no welding. It's all going to be bolted and put together. Checking possibilities. Lost. Everything fails. We do it this way. That one done. Alright. It's rusted pretty bad. I grind that down, pop a hole through that, and I'm just, these two are going to be about the same thing. I have to grind them down. How much?
Unlike all the rest of it, was just solid rust.
Okay, before anybody asks, I'm using 2 different wagons. One's bigger than the other one, and this piece here is going to be used for car shows to put in front of the rat rod. So I'm going to try to do all this without welding anything. So the first wagon that we started taking apart is probably about 34 inches long and about, I don't know, 15 wide. I'm trying to do this with just one hand. And then this one is going to be the main part, which is about 28 inches long and about 13 wide. So we're going to fix up the little wagon by using this and that big one right there for parts. Okay, so I'm going to start sanding down this right now. It's kind of beat up, but I want it to kind of match the rat rod. Gonna look cool though. Now that we know this fits, we're going to take this and put some clear over it, and then we'll put this back on. That's nice. Alright, so I couldn't get the bolt off. It was welded together with rust, everything else. The carter pin in there was rusted to it, couldn't pull it, kept breaking, so I got stuck. Took the grinder, and we still have the down here. Just flip it around. That'll be how we're going to lower it in the front. Use these bigger washers. That gives it some strength. Excuse the mess, but everybody knows if you work on things, this is what your table looks like most of the time. So anyways, cut a piece of metal off. So, got done making the bracket. Put 4 holes in it, and the main one for the front. So we'll see how it turns out. And I just sprayed some clear on it too. Kind of give it a little shine. Okay, so we got this up. I already know how I'm going to do this. Got this in clear. So, cut this, cleared it, and going to screw it in here. So I'm thinking stretch it out quite a bit, just to make the wagon look longer than it really is, and bigger. And it's really a small wagon. So we'll see what happens. And these fit it too. So it should be pretty good. The reason why you saw me put this screw here and then drill another hole, so that way they hold them in place while you get the other 2 done. Otherwise it might not come out straight. Got all the holes done. Now to put this piece on here. Okay, so far as you can see, no welding. And then we're gonna start adding some personal touches. Paint the wheels back there. I'm thinking about leaving these alone and sticking this on here too. To stick this on here, no welding, liquid nails. Okay, added a little touch to it. I just not thought about it that I could have put a little thin piece of tape around there too. Okay, time to put these on. I hope these tubes are still good. We'll find out. Okay, so what we did is we used the original washers, put them back, changed the wheels instead of going wider. We wanted to keep this thing looking really old. Plus, we wanted to reuse these. All you gotta do is tap them on or the washer. Looks pretty cool. Okay, so we got it to where it rolls. So you can turn it too. So far, no welding at all. So anybody can do this. Just get 2 or 3 different wagons, some Halloween decorations. Isn't that there? It's a lot faster. Use some wood, put this on here, and then made a license plate back seat. Screw it from the bottom to hold it. Gonna grind these off, and then we're done. And look at the size of it. Okay, so I'm gonna let you do this. There we go. Yeah. And this is our display for car shows with our rat rod or truck or Riviera, whatever we drive. That's it, folks. Subscribe, like, check out more of our videos.